Today Rel and I are spending a day in Amsterdam with no plan. We're just going to walk around the city and see where today takes us, because in my opinion this is one of the best ways to explore a new city. You just get to have no expectations, find new locations and hopefully meet a few cool people. We are here for an ultimate frisbee tournament, but it only starts 2 days from now, so we'll get to that when we get to that. Right now we're just going to head to breakfast and from there we'll see what happens. Rel decided to get some Stroopwafels from this place that, from what we heard, is pretty good, so we're gonna let you know what it's like. Apparently it's good. I don't know if it's worth the price. It costs 7.5 euros I think, which is a lot for a waffle, but I guess you pay for the brand, I don't know. Wow. Okay, never mind. It's really good. Definitely go to Hans Egstorf. Wow. We ended up going with fries because we couldn't find anything else, so let's see what it's like. Honestly, I'm really happy with our choice. This place looks really good and the vibe here is awesome. Wow, that's really good. I got the Indonesian satay sauce and it's wow, so fucking good with the fries. Highly recommend this place. I don't know what its name is, but it's what's written here, so come here. Hi guys, thank you. This place was surprisingly good, so if you're in Amsterdam and you're looking for some fries, definitely check out this place. It's really good. Right now we're just going to head to a pretty big park that's here. I can't remember its name, Rel.
The Vondelpark.
Okay, that, because it's supposed to be very green and big, and I know it's kind of a different scene in the city. Check us. Look at that. This is... I just love this is inside of a city because it looks like a fucking forest and it's just a random park. Fucking love these places.
Hey boys.
Thank you! We've been chilling in this park for about an hour and a half or something, and honestly it's quite fun. It's pretty beautiful, like we have these trees around us and there's really nothing too crazy about it, but if you're in Amsterdam you can definitely come to this park. I can't remember its name, but I'm gonna leave it somewhere over here, and also Rel told it earlier.
The Vondelpark.
So we're gonna use that. We just finished at the park. It was pretty chill, nothing too crazy, and I think right now we're just going to get a tram and head back home. Park is fine and everything, but nothing I would recommend going specifically for. We decided to stop at this place to get some drinks, but you know, it went.
You have ice Americano?
Yes.
Black one? I'll take the tropical smoothie as well.
I kind of forgot to record after we got the drinks, but it was pretty good, nothing too crazy. After that we just headed back to the city, decided to split up, and then Eren and I had a pretty interesting idea. Alright, so we just rented a boat and now we're on our way to our apartment to get some stuff, and then we'll be back there, ride the boat for 2 hours, and hopefully it's going to be interesting. I think seeing Amsterdam from the water is going to be a bit different than walking in the streets. Wow, the wind is pretty strong. I've never seen it walk this fast before. Shalom! Hey! How are you doing? Almost everyone. So we're waiting for 2 people. They're supposed to be here in like a minute or something. Yeah, I'm a photographer, vlogger, plenty of things. Wanna be in the video?
Yeah, sure.
What's your name?
I'm Jaden.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Anything
meet
to
you
say
as
to
well.
the world?
Sorry?
Anything to say to the world?
Well, I hope you all enjoy the world as it is right now, and I hope you all you're gonna stay happy, and yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Hello.
נשמע ישראל, לא ציפיתי.
The boat isn't hard to manage. It's just if you want to go forward, just push it forward.
Okay.
If you want to go backwards or just like brake, push it backwards. If you want to go to the left, push it to the right. If you want to go to the right, push it to the left. So it's opposite.
Okay. Oh, they go.
הנה פתח. טוב, אז עכשיו בסדר.
רגע, בני.
איך אני יוצא יובל? וואריו, עושה לי אמיר נבר, from the sport floor. מה יש לכם? זה לא כזה קרוב.
צד שני, גרוט.
חוויות, ככה יוצרים.
Holy fuck. Haydi. Aksiyon.
פעם בחיים שלנו נפתח לך ראשון? אני פאק סבר, להקים מנומי ומאלוהי.
It feels so weird to walk right now. It kind of feels like we're still on the boat, which is weird. It might be the port, but you know, the boat ride was really good and I highly recommend you to do that, especially if you have a group of people. It costs 95 euros for 3 hours, and honestly it's just a great way to see the city, and you can just have fun together and see some sights, and you know, it's definitely something I recommend you to do. Right now we're going to go back to our apartment, drop our bags, and then head out to a bar or something. Shalom. Wow, אתה מסופר. This bar looks really good.
שלום.
יואו, תגיד שאתה רואה, אתה כמו בחורה.
We are back in our apartment. Today was just so fucking good. Just walking around Amsterdam with no plan. I highly recommend that. Definitely rent a boat if you can. And the bar was also great. I'll leave the names of everything in the description. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next one. Good night, guys.
אוי, כן.
מה אנחנו רואים?
אני מחפש את זה, אני פשוט לא רואה את מה שאתה מחפש.
כאן.
כן. חיפשתי את
This is such a weird thing. Why do Europeans like this?
נורא. תשמע, תקשיב.
Who would eat canned sausages. So many types and sizes.
אתה יודע מה זה?
נו?
זה צעצוע מין, אחי.
זה נורא.
הכל טוב, אני גולשת.
Oh, Bahir, I have never seen a walk this fast before. Even when he runs, he's slower than this.
אין לי שום בעיה להתנגש בדברים. אני גם חוסם דמות עד עכשיו.
זה גם מצולם.
זוכר את הדברים שאנחנו נכנסים לארכיון? זה אחד מהם. יפה. זה טוב, זה טוב. הוא כאילו בא לפתוח את הלב וזה לו, no, no, man, I'm naked, don't come in. מה, אני אקפוץ? לא. איזה צעקה לא קשורה לכלום.
הייתי צריכה חוצה נעמי.
זה לא נדבק.